In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Payoneer to PayPal. Before we start, it's important to understand that Payoneer and PayPal do not always support a direct transfer between each other. In many cases, you cannot simply click one button in Payoneer and send money straight to your PayPal balance. The method depends on your country, your account type, and whether PayPal accepts your Payoneer receiving account details. First, log into your Payoneer account using the official website or mobile app. Check that your account is verified and that you have an available balance. If Payoneer is asking for identity verification, address verification, or any other document, complete those requirements first. Next, go to the Get Paid, Receive, or Receiving Account section in Payoneer. Open your receiving account details, usually the USD receiving account, if you want to connect it with PayPal. Look for the bank name, account holder name, routing number, and account type. Now open PayPal and log in to your account. Go to Wallet, then choose Link a Bank. Enter the Payoneer receiving account details exactly as shown. Make sure the name on PayPal matches the name on your Payoneer account, because mismatched names can cause the bank connection to fail. PayPal may verify the bank using small test deposits. If this happens, wait for the small amounts to appear in your Payoneer activity. Then return to PayPal and enter those exact amounts to confirm the bank account. Once the Payoneer receiving account is successfully linked to PayPal, you may be able to move money by using PayPal's bank transfer options. However, availability can vary, and some transfers may be rejected if they are not supported by either platform. If this method does not work, the safer alternative is to withdraw your Payoneer balance to your regular bank account first. After the money arrives in your bank, you can add funds to PayPal from that same bank account, if PayPal supports adding money in your country. Another option is to use your Payoneer card with PayPal, if you have one and if PayPal accepts it. You can try adding the card in PayPal under Wallet, then use it for eligible payments. But this does not always mean you can transfer your Payoneer balance directly into PayPal. Before using any method, review fees, exchange rates, processing times, and platform rules. Avoid third-party exchangers or people online who promise instant Payoneer to PayPal transfers, because many of them can be risky or scams. That's how to transfer money from Payoneer to PayPal safely. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.